Okay, this is question number 14. In question number 14, it says 56 students were asked if they watched tennis yesterday. The ratio of boys to girls asked was 3 to 4. 10 girls watched tennis. 38 did not watch tennis yesterday. One of the students is chosen at random. Write down the probability that a student chosen at random will be a boy who watched tennis yesterday. Okay, and they want us to give the answer in the simplest form. So going back to the beginning, it says 56 students were asked if they watched tennis yesterday. The ratio of boys to girls was 3 to 4. 10 girls watch tennis, and so on. So you get the idea that it should be a two-way table. So straight away you set up a two-way table. It doesn't need to be a work of art. You set up your two-way table. You know you're talking about boys and girls. As you read the question, you should know you're talking about people who watch tennis, who didn't watch tennis. And remember, at the ends of your two-way table, the last column and the last row are always total. So work through the question. The total is 56, right? They've asked us that, so that 56 will go down in that cell there, the total. Then they said the ratio of boys to girls was 3 to 4. So remember, in that ratio, 3 is going to be the number of boys, or the number of parts that is boys. So 3 parts boys to 4 parts girls. How many people are there all together? How many boys and girls? There are 56. So the total number of parts, 3 plus 4, that's going to be 7 parts altogether. And 7 parts is 56 students altogether. So 1 part is going to be 56 divided by 7, which is 8. All right, so that's straightforward. 1 part is 8 students, but remember, 3 parts boys, so 3 lots of 8 for boys, which is 24 boys, and I could put that into the total boys column. And then for girls, 4 parts girls, so 4 lots of 8, right, is 32. 32 I could put into the girls column. So this is a bit of a twist on a normal two-way table question, right? But you should be able to do this. The examiners are testing more than one thing here at the same time. So let's go back to the information. So we've addressed that 3 to 4. 10 girls watched tennis yesterday. So girls who watched tennis yesterday, that's going to be in there, 10 girls. I sort of highlighted them, but you should actually cross out these things as you use it. 38 students did not watch tennis yesterday. So people who did not watch tennis yesterday, 38, that's going to go in here. All right, that's all they've given us. And now they want us to work out the probability that the student chosen at random will be a boy who watched tennis. Boys who watch tennis. So we need to work out that number there in order to find the probability. Okay, so let's first find that number there. Looking at the two-way table, I reckon I could find this number here, because whatever's in here plus 10 would give me 32. So that number there must be 22. Up here, the number of boys who did not watch tennis, okay, so that plus 22 would give me 38. 38 take away 22 is 16, so that goes there. And something plus 16 is 24, so 24 take away 16, that gives me 8. 8 boys watched tennis yesterday. Write down the probability that the student chosen will be a boy who watched tennis. So 8 boys watched tennis. Out of all together, they're 56. So as a probability, I could write it as 8 over 56. But in addition, the question says write the fraction in its simplest form. So what numbers could go into 8 and 56? Well, 8 can go into 8 once. 8 into 56 is 7. 7 lots of 8 make 56. So 8 goes into 56 7 times. So 1/7 is my answer in its simplest form. You need to make sure you do that. This is a long question, right? There's only 4 marks for it. Right? You may well get more in the exam actually for a question of this detail, but make sure you understand it. You make sure you understand all stages. Make sure you can do it completely and get all the marks for every bit.